Howdy, Possum Patty here. It's May 10th and I'm nature journaling. It's Mother's Day and I'm spending some time in the kitchen with my little babies. Baby zinnias, that is. Now, if this was a garden journal, I might journal about the progress of all my zinnia seeds. Right now I have them in the kitchen because it was freezing last night, and zinnias are a little bit tender. So my journal page today looks like a garden journal. I wrote that I planted my mini zinnia mixture of zinnia seeds from Fairy Moors on May 2nd. I put 4 seeds in each of 4 cups and 8 muffin boxes, so a total of 128 seeds. And my germination as of May 10th was 36 out of 128, or 28%. So then I did a time-lapse sketch of my little sprouts. They were in all different stages of popping up. The smallest, it was interesting to note how it was the middle of the stem that came up first, and then the little head peeked out with a bit of dried husk still clinging to it. As the stem stretched up and the leaves started to unfurl, the bit of dried husk started coming off. And first one leaf would pop out, and then the other, and the husk would fall down to the dirt. And the largest sprouts looked like they had a new growth coming. And it'll be interesting to note that if this is going to be a stem or the true leaves of the plant, and not the seed leaves. And I put a little scale here because the largest one today was about 3/4 of an inch tall. And I'm going to use a little Possum Magic here so you can watch this little zinnia seed sprout and grow. And the last thing I drew were the 8 muffin boxes and showing all the little seedlings popping up in the different stages. It's hard to judge the germination rate of these zinnias because it is a zinnia mixture. They're all compact zinnias, they're all small zinnias, but there's different kinds in here, like Thumbelina, Button Box, and Lilliput. So maybe each kind of zinnia germinates at a different rate. So I'm going to keep my eye on my little zinnia plants and note their germination. I wonder how many days it'll take for them all to pop up. Thanks for nature journaling with me today. Bye-bye.